boys, we about to put a video together here. Boys, we about to put a video together here. We about to put a video together. Alright guys, this is fish number 2. I will show you the second one after this one because the second one is a freaking megalodon. But I came over here on Centennial side. I do see some shadow under this bridge right here. So hopefully that's a promising sign right here. That's 52.5 degrees right here. Dude, I love fishing. I'm gonna miss it. It's a nice fish. I don't know if you were paying attention, but I tricked that sucker into biting. He kept blowing up over there. He kept blowing up over there, and I kept throwing stuff at him. But so that one I would throw it over there and real quick, couple turns and stop. Real couple turns and stop. So, got his attention, he ate it. Turned out to be a pretty dadgum good day after the morning of nothing. Awesome. Oh my God. Look at this thing. So, let me calm down. I'm under the 311 bridge, throwing Alabama rig. Of all things, I'm throwing an Alabama rig, and I catch this freaking beast, man. Water over here is about 53 degrees. I'm excited. I'm gonna get a weight on this girl, and then I will get back to you. Whew, your boy's excited, okay? Your boy's excited. All right, guys, I'm back. 6'2". 6'4" is my PB, so I didn't hit the PB on this lake. 6'2" on December the 12th, okay? Awesome. On an Alabama rig, under the bridge up here, about 10 feet of water. Awesome! Look at the mouth on this thing, man. Get her back in the water.